Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use an LG display on a Samsung TV. As you can see right here, we have a bad polarizer, and if you turn it on, once you turn the Samsung on, the display is bad. Alright, it's coming up. Okay, here it is. Display is bad. While the LG, yes, the display is okay. So right now I'm going to take this display and put it here. I'm going to show you the steps on how to do it, because this display is different, completely different from this. Alright, we'll open the back cover. Okay. This is a Samsung display with model number LD320AGB-A2. Here's the display. Remove these screws. Remove the display. Okay, remove the frame. Remove this. Remove this frame. Okay, we've removed the display. Let's keep this aside, and that's the LG. So here's the screen. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, here's the screen number. For the LG. This is the fuse on the left hand side for the LG, while the Samsung should be around the right hand side. So if you connect it directly, it will damage the screen. Okay. Okay, done with this. So I have to cut this so that I don't have to put it on this part, on the side curve and gate. So it doesn't damage it. Only this should hold the screen. Okay. Done. Bring back this frame. Okay, just a reminder, this is the LG display and Samsung LED. See? Like I said before, the Samsung and LG have different connections, so we are going to use this. This is for Samsung, right VCC. The VCC is on the right, then here to this side, the VCC on the left. So Samsung in, LG out. It means that Samsung motherboard in, then from here out to the LG display. So that's the way we connect this now. So let me okay. Wow, here it is. Yes, nice one, but the image is upside down. It's inverted, but that's not a problem. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. So the image is inverted, but that's not a problem. After the coupling, I will show you how to reverse it. Alright. Confirm again. On. Okay, remote. Alright, Samsung. Image is inverted. Alright, let's start USB and see the image. Okay, as you can see, the picture quality is clear. So this is how to use an LG display on the Samsung TV. So okay, let me reverse the image. Before that, you put off the TV. So right now I've entered the Samsung menu. This is the advanced menu, so go to option. Okay, the screen is okay now. I've reversed the screen, so let's take it to, you can see picture quality is perfect. So let's try the movie. Yes, what I just showed you is how to use an LG display on a Samsung. So please, if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up there, and if you have any questions, please drop it on the comment below. Then please don't forget to subscribe. And one more thing, subscription is free. You don't pay for subscription, please just note that. Okay, video, let's see movie. Okay, movie. These are movies. All right. Okay. Loading. Okay. Yeah.